video, we are going to discuss question number 14. It says a sum of $300 is divided in the ratio 2 to 3. Calculate the amount of the larger share. So this is another example like number 13, where you have to divide a quantity into parts, and it comes under the umbrella of ratios. So here the quantity is 300 and the ratio is 2 to 3, a part of 2 and a part of 3. As we previously said, you can go to Google and type ratios divided total quantity into parts, and you are given a 3-step process that we used in question number 13. We can repeat it in question number 14. And you can Google that same topic in YouTube, and you can get multiple videos with regards. So we're going to apply the same 3-step process. So what we can do to speed up things, we can increase the font here, right? Go to insert. But also to maintain consistency, we can look at what we did, the total parts, find the total parts, quantity for one part, and part for 3, part for 2, which of course, that's what was said. Add the parts of the ratio together to find the total parts. So we're simply just going to repeat that 3-step process. So first, let's find the total parts. So that will be equal to 2 plus 3, that's 5. Then the second step is to divide the quantity by the sum of the parts. And that makes sense. The total quantity is 300. The total parts is 5. So when that divide has been taken place, what you find now is the quantity for one part. And that would be 300 divided by 5. That will give us 60. Now, this question is not interested in the amount for each part. You just want the amount for the larger part. The larger part is 3. Okay, so the quantity for 3 parts as you can see, I expressed it differently here. I said part for 3, part for 2, quantity for 3 parts. It's basically saying the same thing. So we just simply multiply 3 by 60, and that will give us 120. Just to verify, the quantity for 2 parts would be, 3 by 160 is 3 by 6 is 180, sorry. And just to verify the quantity for 2 parts, that would be 2 by 60, 120. 120 plus 180 will give us back the 300. So the larger part is 3. The quantity for 3 parts is 180. So therefore, now the answer is C. As we are so very familiar as to what to do, this is notes. Copy this down in the notes, right? And then to go to your practice book to continue practicing for this to develop, for this knowledge to develop. You need to practice pen and paper as often as possible.